I just think that when you say things like this and then you now play a game that you're not saying something else, it's looking as if you have a secret admiration.
No.
That's what it looks like.
I'm actually very blunt and I wouldn't tell you a lie just to make you feel good. If I actually find her attractive in the simplest form, I'll tell you. I mean, she's good looking and all. But I don't. I actually don't.
Kola, you can come and sleep on our bed. No, like in the middle. I don't want to sleep in that side. I want to sleep closer to Dede.
Is it inviting me?
Yeah, she said you can.
Yeah, I'll come now.
I don't understand. Which bed are you talking about?
My bed. My bed
Where
very
will
close
she
to
not
right.
sleep?
Me and her can sleep on one bed. Her bed is double bed.
So you want me to sleep in between you and Bryce?
Yes.
Why? Everybody fight. I beg.
We know they fight though. I just want to create space.
No.
So it just makes me feel like, you fucked up. You've opened up to somebody that is ready to just do whatever.
That's what you feel?
That's how I feel.
I complain.
I think we should be okay. I'll find like this. You can say what you want to say from there.
Okay. So, what you want me to do right now?
I just feel like, obviously, I like you. And I just want us to pace things. Same thing that you want us to do. I want us to do it afresh. I just want us to take it slower. We have a long time here by God's grace. And if one person is feeling like they're rushing something, and another person feels like we're not rushing something, and then another person feels like they're rushing. Like, let's just agree to take it slower.
Mide, you are overthinking this thing.
I am.
And you shouldn't be.
I am, because I get so many mixed energy from you, right? 1 minute I feel like you want to be all in me. The next minute I'm feeling like you're trying to say, let's not do this. Let's not do it like this. So it's just so confusing.